The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is one of the most enduring military aircraft in history. When it first took to the skies in 1952, no one could have imagined that it would still be in service nearly a century later. Yet, with the U.S. Air Force's latest upgrade program, this legendary bomber is poised to fly well into the 2050s and possibly beyond. The question is, how does an aircraft designed in the early Cold War era remain relevant in modern warfare? The answer lies in continuous innovation, adaptability, and a series of transformative upgrades that will redefine the B-52 for 21st century combat. The B-52 was born out of necessity during the Cold War. In the late 1940s, the U.S. military sought a long-range strategic bomber capable of carrying nuclear weapons deep into enemy territory as part of the Strategic Air Command's (SAC) deterrence strategy. Boeing's design quickly stood out, leading to the maiden flight of the B-52 in April 1952. The first production model, the B-52A, was followed by a series of improved variants, culminating in the B-52H, which entered service in 1961 and remains in operation today. Nicknamed the Buff, Big Ugly Fat Fella, the B-52 was designed for endurance, firepower, and adaptability. With a wingspan of 185 feet and a maximum takeoff weight exceeding 488,000 pounds, it was built to carry an immense payload over long distances. Originally intended for nuclear deterrence, the aircraft's versatility allowed it to be used for conventional bombing, precision strikes, electronic warfare, and maritime operations. The B-52's ability to stay relevant comes down to its adaptability. Over the decades, the aircraft has undergone 17 major upgrades, each improving its capabilities, extending its operational life, and integrating it with modern warfare technology. During the Vietnam War, the B-52 was used extensively in carpet bombing missions, notably in Operations Rolling Thunder and Linebacker II. In the Gulf War and subsequent conflicts, it played a critical role in delivering precision-guided munitions. The B-52 has also been used in the war in Afghanistan, the Iraq War, and operations against ISIS, demonstrating its ability to evolve with the needs of modern combat. One of the most significant updates was the integration of precision-guided munitions, allowing the B-52 to conduct more accurate strikes with reduced collateral damage. The bomber has also received upgrades to its electronic warfare systems, communication suites, and weapons payloads, ensuring its continued effectiveness in an ever-changing battlefield environment. To extend the aircraft's lifespan, the Air Force selected Rolls-Royce F-130 turbofan engines to replace the outdated ones. These new engines will provide improved fuel efficiency, reducing operational costs while extending the aircraft's range. Additionally, they will enhance the bomber's thrust, reducing maintenance requirements and increasing overall reliability. With these upgrades, the B-52 will remain a formidable force in global air operations. The new radar, based on the Raytheon and APG-79 system used in the F/A-18 Super Hornet, will allow the B-52 to detect and track multiple targets at greater distances, making it a more formidable bomber even in highly contested airspace. The system will also integrate seamlessly with modern communication networks, ensuring real-time data sharing with allied forces and enabling more effective coordination in joint operations. With its ability to launch hypersonic weapons, the B-52 will maintain a strategic advantage, striking targets anywhere in the world at unprecedented speeds. This adaptation ensures that even as enemy air defenses evolve, the B-52 will continue to be a lethal platform for global strike operations. Unlike the highly advanced but expensive B-2 Spirit and the upcoming B-21 Raider, the B-52 is relatively inexpensive to operate. Its massive payload capacity, long range, and ability to carry both nuclear and conventional weapons make it one of the most flexible bombers in history. While stealth bombers excel in penetrating enemy defenses, the B-52 provides overwhelming firepower and endurance at a fraction of the cost. Moreover, the aircraft's durability is unmatched. Its rugged aluminum construction, simple yet robust airframe, and ability to withstand extreme conditions have made it one of the most reliable bombers ever built. These qualities, combined with continuous modernization, explain why the Air Force is committed to keeping the B-52 operational for a full century. In an era where military technology is advancing at breakneck speed, the continued relevance of the B-52 is a testament to its brilliant engineering and adaptability. It has survived generations of technological advancements, adapted to new warfare strategies, and remained an essential part of America's military dominance. The story of the B-52 is one of resilience and reinvention. From its Cold War origins to its modern-day upgrades, it has remained a key player in U.S. military operations. With new engines, advanced radar systems, and hypersonic weapon capabilities, the B-52 is evolving once again, ensuring its dominance in the skies for decades to come. The idea of an aircraft serving for a full century might have seemed impossible when the B-52 first took flight in 1952. Yet, as history has shown, the Stratofortress is no ordinary aircraft. It is a legend that refuses to retire, proving that with the right upgrades, even a war machine from the past can shape the future of warfare.